Friends, Running Kimono here, and we have another triple stack Sunday over at Walgreens. Oh my gosh, my cart was like a little money maker, and it was just absolutely fantastic. We're going to look at the cart that I got, and then we're also going to look at little tiny deals that I think you should be doing this week over at Walgreens. It's really spectacular. First deal we're going to talk about is the triple stack. So I had a 10 back when you spend 50, $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 30 in vitamins, and then this paper booster. Those three are stacking, which is really fantastic. So I got a bag of the Cascade for $5.49, two of the baby doves for $16, and then $30 right there of vitamins. Exciting thing about this basket, it's all stuff that I need right now, so I'm really happy about that. So we're going to grab one of the Centrum Women Vitamin Multi Gummies for $13.99. Unfortunately, no digital coupons, but IBOTTA is giving back $3 for the purchase of a Centrum Gummy Vitamin, so not the worst deal. Grabbing two of the smaller one-day vitamins for $11.99 on a BOGO 50% off. Now, we have a bunch of digital coupons for this that include a $3, so I loaded all of them. And I've never tried one a day, but I'm going to try that. I have to have gummy consistency vitamins. I cannot do the pills. So I loaded these two. Fetch Rewards is also giving back 2,000 points when you buy a 60 count plus of this specific vitamin. Now, the baby shampoo is $8, $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. Everybody seems to be having babies right now, so perfect for a baby shower gift. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupons. So for a digital coupon shopper, that is super smart. I also grabbed one of the Cascades for $5.49. This 50-cent digital coupon. So, hey, it's better than a kick in the pants to use this little digital. Plus, I also had this, which is a $5 manufacturer on any P&G product. And yes, it did work, in fact, on the Cascade. I also used that 9 back when you spend 40, my P&G manufacturer register reward, and then two $4 register rewards. If you look at the very top of these coupons, see where it says manufacturer coupon, thus you can use those with a booster. It will work. So looking at the overall basket, one Centrum for $13.99, two one-a-days on a BOGO 50% off for $17.98, one Cascade for $5.49, two Dove Baby for $16, for a grand total of $53.46. At that price point, I'm hitting my $50 threshold. I got $30 in vitamins, and the rest is magic. Got the cashier to scan the 9 back when you spend 40, plus I had the other two boosters loaded, 10 back when you spend 50, and then 10 back when you spend 30 on vitamins. Now, I also presented two $4 manufacturer register rewards from Colgate last week, shaving off $8, plus the one $5 manufacturer P&G register reward. So that was a lot coming off right there, along with $9.50 in digital manufacturers that I showed you for the vitamin, the baby Dove, and then for Cascade. So I had to pay $30.96 with my debit card, and I got back $33. For the baby Dove, and the rest is all boosters. And then I also collected another $3 back from IBOTTA and $2.50 back from the Fetch Rewards app, making this free plus a $7.54 money maker. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash. As you're using 3 different boosters, it will mess everything up. But I call this a very solid deal. It's a way to take some of those goofy, weird register rewards and to make it into something else. Really pay attention that it says manufacturer at the top and you're not using ones that say store, or will mess up a booster completely. So please pay attention. Had quite a few of these in my little purse. The store $5 register reward, and then the P&G one. Just to give you a couple quick visuals of what can I buy with that. The Tide Pods, priced at $5.49. It would drop it down to 49 cents. Alternatively, an item that we barely get really on the cheap are dishwasher pods for $5.49. So I think you can see where I'm going with this. I would really stock up on the dishwasher pods if you go through them like I do. But grabbing one of each, that would be $10.98, subtracting the $5 store and then the $5 P&G. And yes, both actually scan for you at checkout. You're paying 98 cents. I think this is a super smart flip of those. And I had like 4 in my wallet, and it's like making something out of nothing. Another really good deal on the Dawn. They're $1.29, and when you buy 3 this week, you get it back $1 register reward. Hey, I guess it's better than nothing. I used that P&G register reward for this. So grabbing 4 of them, that's $5.16. Subtracting that P&G register reward, I paid 16 cents and got back $1 register reward. And I think this is a super smart deal. And this, I believe, is like the Dawn concentrate. So you just need a little like dot of that to do like, a whole set of dishes. And this is the register reward, so I'm very happy about that. And if you look at the top, manufacturer, just pointing that out. Alternatively, if you want to go on a different avenue, the Complete Home bags are $2.99 on a buy one get one free promotion. If you want to use this one only, which is the store $5 register reward, why not use one of these to get some Complete Home bags? Grabbing 4 of them, that's $5.98. Buy one get one free. Using that $5 store coupon, you're going to pay 98 cents, and I call this also a very super smart deal. This is a deal I absolutely wanted to do, but I couldn't because there was only one at the store. $5.49 for the Jergens, $2 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Very good deal. We have a digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is $1.50 off of one of these Jergens. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, there's $1.75 back per lotion, so that's really generous. You're going to get back $3.50. Plus, Checkout 51's giving back $1 for each. So you're probably only going to be able to get $1, but I would try for the 2. You have nothing to lose, and this is an app we barely talk about. So looking at this, 2 of those Jergens lotions is $10.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $9.48, getting $2 back in Walgreens cash, $3.50 from IBOTTA, $2 back from Checkout 51. $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per. No booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to get this balance down a little less. But if you are in desperate need of lotion, what a great deal. I'm going to have to hunt down those lotions because I want to do this deal desperately. Okay, now we have a deal on the Bounty paper towel at $11.99 a pop. $4 register reward when you buy 2. Unfortunately, we only have a quarter digital coupon right now, which is kind of chintzy and somewhat boring. But I did see this stickered at many, like near the paper, which is a $5 register reward when you spend 15. People were saying it was printing. People were saying it wasn't printing by the end of the week. So your mileage may vary with that. This is the very generous coupon that we have for this deal. Kind of funny. Check your IBOTTA account if you might have this rebate, which is $3 back for each. So you're going to get $6 back. That's honestly better than the digital coupon if you think about it. So looking at this, guys, 2 of the bounties is $23.98. Subtracting 25-cent digital, you're paying $23.73. Getting back, hopefully, the $4 and the $5 register reward if that second one is printing today. $6 back from IBOTTA. If you go to the site P&G Good Every Day, if you spend $20 on selected P&G products, Bounty paper towel included, you're going to get back a $5 Visa gift card. So it makes it $3.73 for the 2. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but what a great little deal. That is it for today's video, guys. Get out and make some of these deals happen over at Walgreens. I especially love that vitamin deal because I love gummy vitamins. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.